Okay, welcome to season 3 of my ComfyUI tutorial, and I'll be showing my exploration of newer image generation tools such as ZImage Turbo, QuenImage, and QuenImage Edit for my RTX 5070 Ti GPU. So today we'll once again start off with the installation of ComfyUI, which I've done a few times before. Why I'm doing this again is purely for completion's sake, so that I can kick off season 3 proper and can use the same video as reference for the rest of the series. So if you've already installed your ComfyUI, ComfyUI Manager, Triton and Switch Attention, then you need not watch this video. I intend to do this as a speed run to get everything installed in under 15 minutes, and the main steps will include the installation of ComfyUI Portable from the GitHub repository, checking the CUDA versions, the Python and also the Pytorch version of the system, and the installation of ComfyUI Manager, updating of ComfyUI, installing Triton, and finally the installing of Switch Attention. I will only be exploring the key processes instead of the details of each function. So if you wish to know more about ComfyUI Portable, you can check out this link from the season 2 where I talk more about it. For ComfyUI Manager, you can check out this video. And lastly, if you need to know more about Triton and Switch Attention and what it does, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin with the speed run, but before that, I'll appreciate a like, comment and subscribe to help push this video to the right community who might find this useful. First, let's go to ComfyUI GitHub page. Scroll down to find the direct to download link. At the point of my downloading of the ComfyUI, the Python version is still 3.13 for CUDA 13. You need to update your NVIDIA drivers so that you can actually support at least the CUDA 13 in order to use this ComfyUI. Download a copy and paste this wherever you want. Open it using an unzipping tool like WinRAR. Delete the download copy after it's unzipped, and we leave it for now. Next, we will do a CUDA version check to confirm that we can use this ComfyUI. Go to the search bar below, type CMD, paste the code nvidia-smi, and you will see the driver version and the CUDA version. For my driver, it will be up to 13.1, which is important when the Pytorch versions come into play. So you will need at least my driver version to be able to use for ComfyUI of CUDA version 13. So go back to the ComfyUI folder, Python embedded, where everything you install here is in its own separate environment. I go into the folder and I type CMD at the search bar, enter the code Python -- version, and I get 3.13.12, which is the version embedded within ComfyUI. Now I type python.exe -m pip show torch, and I see the torch version within ComfyUI is 2.11.0 for CU130, which is CUDA 13, which shows that my my own CUDA version of 13.1 is able to use this ComfyUI. Now let's skip most of the long stuff and we will proceed on with the installation of ComfyUI Manager. So go to the main folder, ComfyUI, custom nodes. Go to search bar and type CMD and paste this code to clone the ComfyUI Manager repository. You can get this code in the descriptions below or from ComfyUI Manager GitHub repository, and let it do its thing. Now once it's installed, you can go into ComfyUI. I choose to run it using the fast FP16 accumulation version. Once it's loaded, go to the top right manager button, click update all and let it do its thing until it's done. Now let's talk about installing Triton. So firstly, go to the Triton repository and scroll down to Pytorch section. Here you can see that our ComfyUI is Pytorch version is 2.11, so we shall use the latest version of 3.6 for Pytorch 2.10, which works as well. Now let's go back to Python embedded folder. Type CMD and enter the command python.exe -m pip install -u, then Triton Windows under 3.7 to install a version of 3.6 inside your ComfyUI. Then let it do its thing. Now, lastly, let's install Sage Attention. Go to the Sage Attention repository, links in the description, scroll down to see that under the releases, which includes this version of 2.2 for CUDA 13, Torch 2.9 and higher. So download this view and put it wherever you want for now. Take note that this repository looks like this only at the moment of my recording. Any updates to this page might make it look different, but I believe the library of views should still be easily found once you tinker around in the GitHub page. Now go back to the same command window after you install Triton. Paste this command python.exe -m pip install. Then go back to where you pasted the view, right click the view, and you can copy as path and paste it after the pip install command. Press enter and let it do its thing. Now for a final check that we have installed everything correctly, type in python.exe -m pip list and scroll to find all the critical stuff and its versions. And the last will be to activate your Sage Attention by pasting this command at the batch file for running of your ComfyUI. So go to the batch file that you use, right click and edit as text. At the first line, paste this command --use -sage -attention and save. So now let's do a quick demo to run through the whole thing. As you can see, Sage Attention is running. I'll just load a quick SDXL illustrious checkpoint to show that it's working on a basic level. And this concludes the foundation video for season 3 on how to install ComfyUI, ComfyUI Manager, Triton and Sage Attention in under 15 minutes. Next video onwards, I will start off with exploring ZImage Turbo text to image and its variants such as image to image, ControlNet, inpainting, etc. Followed by QuenImage and also QuenEdit. So if my video has value added in any way to your AI journey and you wish to show some appreciation, you may drop a tip of any amount through YouTube Super Thanks or my Ko-fi page. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to help push this video to the right community who might find this useful, and until then I will see you when I see you.